Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore an incredibly simple yet essential neural network that allows you to create a video in just a few minutes and publish it on your YouTube channel. Here's a video I created in just a few minutes.
Ever wondered how to create and promote video content effectively? In this digital age, video content has become a powerhouse of marketing.
The full video is published in the Made by AI playlist. The link will be in the description of this video. Watch this video until the end, and you'll learn how you can create a similar one yourself. Let's navigate to the AI.Invideo system page. The registration process is straightforward. Enter your email. Receive the code. Copy and paste it here, and you're done. We're on the system page and can start working. The interface is very simple. What do we see? On the left, there's the main menu and the history of our query library. On the right, we see our account profile. First, let's go to Settings and check this box. Beta Features. There's nothing else to change here, so let's start creating a video. Click the Create New button. And begin the creation process. What do we need to choose here? We need to choose either YouTube Shorts or YouTube Explainer. I'm selecting YouTube Explainer. Next, choose how many minutes you want your video to be. I'm choosing 4 minutes. I inform the system that I want to create a video on the topic of video marketing for beginners, creating and promoting video content. In the next section, I provide a brief description, teach the creation and optimization of videos for YouTube, as well as monetization through advertising and affiliate programs. Express the desire for the description to be friendly and humorous. Then the system asks if I want to apply background music to the video. Yes, I want to use cheerful music. I choose a male narrator with a North English voice. I check this section that I want to add subtitles to the video. Use watermark text is set by default. I check Don't use iStock. That's it. Nothing more is required from us here, so let's click Continue. The system asks me to check all my queries. Yes, everything is correct. I click the Generate a Video button. The process of analyzing and verifying data begins. The final stage of video creation. Who is our video intended for? Beginners. Publish on YouTube. Continue. All we have to do is watch the video creation process. In just a few minutes, I start watching the finished video.
How to create and promote video content effectively? In this digital age, video content has become a powerhouse of marketing. It's a way to communicate with you.
The system shows each section of the created video. I personally liked everything. In just a few minutes, I got a finished video. You can upload the result. Click the Export button. Unfortunately, I can't change the features of not displaying watermarks because I'm using the trial version. But, I'll say honestly, this artificial intelligence service is worth paying for, at least the monthly cost of the working plan. That's all, and I bid you farewell until our next meeting.